if you ask them who's the President of India, nobody will know. But if you ask 9 out of 10 people, who's the Vice President of India, they will say Mr. Venkaiah Naidu. That is the name you have inculcated. உங்களுக்கு அந்த பேர் வந்தது காரணமே வந்து உங்களோட செயல்பாடு தான். ஒருத்தரோட செயல்பாடு தான் வந்து அவங்க எப்படி எப்பேற்பட்டவங்க, என்ன எத்தனை பேர் வச்சிருக்காங்க, எத்தனை நல்ல பேர் இருக்காங்க, கூட எத்தனை பேர் இப்போ நீங்கள் வந்திருக்க அத்தனை பேர் வந்து மனசார நீங்கள் அவரை வாழ்த்துறதுக்காக வந்திருக்கீங்க. சும்மா ஏதோ ஒரு ஃபங்க்ஷனு லீலா பேலஸில் வச்சுட்டாங்க, இங்கிட்டு வந்து அவர் கூப்பிட்டாரு வந்தே ஆகணும் போயே ஆகணும் கட்டாயம், அப்படியெல்லாம் எதுவுமே இல்லை. உங்கள் முகத்திலே தெரியுது நீங்கள் எல்லாரும் அவரை பார்க்குறதுக்கு ஏங்கிட்டு இன்னைக்கு வந்து இந்த நிகழ்ச்சியில் வந்து சந்திக்கிறதுக்கு வந்திருக்கீங்க. உங்கள் எல்லோரும் சார்பாக நான் மறுபடி ஐயா all the very best. I want more politicians to be like you. A lot of people like me, common people, we expect politicians like you. Because we take inspiration, we respect, and we expect also for the betterment of the country. And hats off to what you're doing in Nellore. Nellore Trust ki meer chesne పనులంతా చాలా గొప్ప విషయమ్మా. ఒక సంవత్సరం 2 సంవత్సరం అందరూ ట్రస్ట్, నేను ట్రస్ట్ ఫాలో చేస్తున్నాను. కానీ కంటిన్యూస్గా పిల్లల కోసం అన్ని విషయాల కోసం మీరు చేసేది వచ్చి మనసారా మీరు చేస్తున్నారు. ఆ బ్లెస్సింగ్స్ మీకు ఎప్పుడు ఉంటుంది, ఆ దేవుడు ఎప్పుడు మిమ్మల్ని ఆశీర్వదిస్తారు. సార్ని ఎప్పుడు ఇలాగే, సార్ ఇంత సైలెంట్గా ఉన్నారు కానీ లోపల చాలా వైలెంట్. సార్ చూడడానికి చాలా నార్మల్గా ఉంటారు కానీ ఆయనలో ఉన్న ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్, ఆయనలో ఉన్న ఒక విషయం ఒక బుక్గా రాస్తే అది ఒక ఎన్సైక్లోపీడియాగా ఉంటుంది. దయచేసి ఎవరైనా సమ్మన్ రిక్వెస్ట్ ఎనీవన్, any good writer, because I don't know how to write much. Probably I'll write a love letter to him. But someone I wish write his autobiography and show it to the future in generation. I'm not joking, Aya. Today, even if my driver, if I ask him who's the vice president, he says Venkaiah Naidu garu. That is where you've reached. You've reached millions of hearts. And I hope you will reach more and more and more, and your service is needed for this country. God bless you. Thank you.